In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant access in Salesforce. This process is fundamental for ensuring that your team members have the right permissions to perform their roles effectively. We'll walk through the steps together, so by the end of this guide, you'll be able to manage access confidently. Let's start at your Salesforce homepage. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools and settings you need. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your gateway to a variety of settings in Salesforce. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a menu with several options, and from here, you need to select Open Advanced Setup. This option takes you to a more detailed settings area where you can customize and configure the permissions. Now, we need to find the permission settings. On the top left of the setup page, there's a search bar. Type permission into this search field. Doing so will streamline your process by bringing up all the settings related to permissions, helping you avoid scrolling through numerous options. Once you've searched for permission, you should see an option labeled Permission Set Groups. Click on this. Permission set groups allow you to bundle multiple permissions together and assign them to users more easily. It's a powerful way to manage roles and access all in one place. Now, you're going to create a new permission set group. To do this, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the button that says New Permission Set Group. This is where you'll define the group by giving it a name and a description that makes sense for the permissions you're granting. This step is crucial for keeping your permissions organized and easy to manage. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields for your new permission set group, the final step is to click Save. Saving confirms all the choices you've made, ensuring that your new group is ready to be used. This step finalizes the creation of the permission set group, making it available for you to assign to the appropriate users. And there you have it. You've successfully granted access in Salesforce by creating a new permission set group. This process not only helps manage permissions efficiently, but also ensures that your team has the right access to the tools they need. Remember that managing permissions is an ongoing task, so regularly review and update your groups as team roles evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.